Hot tub startup time? Then it's Frog at Ease time. We call our sanitizing system Frog at Ease because it will put you at ease and put you in a clean, clear hot tub sooner than you can imagine. First, open your Frog at Ease system box. Inside, you'll find a packet of Frog Jumpstart Shock, 30 Frog at Ease test strips, 1 mineral cartridge, and 1 SmartChlor cartridge. After draining and cleaning your hot tub, fill it with fresh water. If your water is hard, check with your dealer on solutions for softening the water. This will make water balance much easier. Then balance your water with total alkalinity between 80 and 120 ppm, pH between 7.2 and 7.8, and hardness ideally between 150 and 250 ppm. For a refresher on water balance, visit frogbalance.com for a helpful video. Always use Frog at Ease test strips. Download the Frog Water Care app with precise instructions on what your water needs to get it in balance. Now it's time to create an initial sanitizer level. Pour Frog Jumpstart directly into your hot tub and watch the effervescent bubbles go to work removing contaminants. Next is putting the At Ease system to work. Set the mineral cartridge to the highest setting. And for most systems, snap the cartridge into your holder. Set the SmartChlor cartridge based on your gallons or model number listed in your Frog at Ease manual and snap that in the other opening of your holder. If you don't have a manual, visit frogproducts.com and click on the Frog at Ease product you have, then click on the manual link. For the Frog at Ease floating system, snap the mineral cartridge together with the SmartChlor cartridge and twist to the suggested setting number in the manual. The SmartChlor cartridge will last 3 to 4 weeks depending on how much you use your hot tub. The fresh minerals team up with the SmartChlor to kill bacteria 2 ways while keeping your water silky smooth. Place the holders as directed in the manual or the floating system directly into the hot tub. And that's it! You're up and running. Or should we say, up and relaxing in no time at all. Have questions? Give us a call. We're happy to help.